For this project, we will be using Google Colab as Google Colab provides high computational power and CNN requires that. So as we already discussed, in this project, we will be creating a CNN model, which in turn will be able to predict whether a plant is suffering from a disease or not. We will create this model using different layers and other hyperparameters. Then we will train and test this model. It is a classification model, and basically we have used TensorFlow and Keras for this project. So let's get started. So in order to get started, we will first connect our Google Drive to our Colab notebook so that we can directly take data from our drive. For this, we first need to upload the data on our drive and then mount the drive on Colab. This step here from google.colab import drive and drive.mount will help us mount our drive to Google Colab. You need to upload the data on the drive before doing this. I have already uploaded the data on my drive. So let's run this cell and mount my drive to Google Colab. So here, in order to mount the drive, we need to provide a authorization code which can be generated using this link. Let me go to this link. So this is the Pi Analytics account. I'll allow that. And this is the verification code. I need to copy this. You can paste this authorization code here and press the enter button. So here you can see that it has mounted our drive. So our first step is completed. Now let's move forward and see what are the contents in my drive. So for that, we need to run this command ls and we need to set this path, my drive. Let's run this and see what are the datasets or what all data I have on my drive, so that I can exactly locate where is my data that I will be using for this project. So here you can see that on my drive I have Colab notebooks, plant images.pyanalytics. This is the images that we are going to use. So now let's move forward. So here comes an important step. Here I am importing all the required libraries. So as we are making a CNN model, we'll import all the required layers like activations, optimizers, and all other layers like conv2d, max pooling 2d, and all that. Also, we are importing some of the basic libraries such as NumPy for mathematical computation, Pandas for data frame operations, Matplotlib for visualization. We'll use CV2 that is OpenCV for image processing. Now let's move forward. So initially here, let's run the cell and import these libraries.